My name's Tara, and my business is called BLT Medical Billing. BLT Medical Billing is a revenue cycle management company, and basically that means we're just making sure that the doctors have the revenue they need to keep going and pay their staff. I would say the thing that keeps me up most at night is making sure that my business is financially sound so that I can continue to grow. I decided to look for funding for my business because there was an incident in the medical billing industry that caused me to use my rainy day funds, and I wanted to build that back up. So I was researching online for funding. I was going to go with my bank, but I wanted to see what other options were out there, and I came across Biz2Credit and researched it a little bit and decided to go with them. Working with Biz2Credit was very easy. It was very streamlined. The communication was great, and the funds are made available almost immediately. You never know when you're going to need extra funding, and having a partner like Biz2Credit really helps.